Welcome back to the next step. In this step, the step 5, we will examine the frequency distribution. Okay, before plotting, we analyze how the data is distributed across categories. So the two columns we had converted from the numerical to the categorical one, and we will see how many distinct values are there in each column and how many times these distinct values are repeated in each column. The very first column we have converted from the numerical to the categorical one is the CYL. So table of data. Before going to table of data $CYL, let me show you what is data $CYL. See, the dollar is a subset operator. It gives you only that particular column in the particular data set. So all these values are there in data $CYL. So let me show you how many times these values 4, 6 and 8 in this particular column are repeated with the help of table. Table of data $CYL will give you how many times 4, 6 and 8 has been repeated. So this is the distribution of that particular column. 4 is repeated 11 times, 6 is repeated 7 times, and the 8 is repeated 14 times. So likewise, we will also see the distribution of the gear column, data dollar gear. So the data dollar gear column is having 3, 4 and 5 are the values of this particular column, and we want to see how many times 3, 4 and 5 are repeated. For that, we will do table of data dollar gear. So these three values 3, 4 and 5 are repeated 15, 12 and 5 times. So this is the distribution of these two particular column. The first column is the cylinder column. The second column is the gear column. Now we will see the cross classification value of these two with the help of table, right? Data dollar CYL comma data dollar gear. So how many times each one of these are can be seen together? So if I take 4, 6 and 8 are the cylinder, 3, 4, 5 are the gears. With 4 cylinders, 3 gear, 1 vehicle. 4 cylinder, 4 gear, 8 vehicles. 4 cylinder, 5 gears, 2 vehicles. Like 6 cylinders, 3 gear, 2 vehicle, and we don't have any of this combination. 8 cylinder, 4 gear, there are no values. So this becomes one of the visualization parameter. Once we visualize, the value being given here in this particular matrix becomes apparent, and it is useful to understand this matrix in conjunction with the visualization what we are going to do. So why do we need this discrete visualization? So very first thing is it helps to understand the count of each category. The second step is it provides insight into relationships between variables. So the third thing is it prepares us for interpreting the visualization. So these three are the things we can do with the help of the table distribution. In the next video, we will actually create the bar graph with the analysis we had done, and we will see the bar graph on our screen. See you in the next video.